Experience maintenance-free living in this single-level property. Features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, all centrally located. Enjoy the convenience and comfort of this well-designed home in the heart of Oak Ridge. The HOA provides for mowings during the mowing season, leaf removal in the fall, and 5 lawn treatments, fertilizer, pre-emergent and post-emergent, payment of real estate taxes for the common areas, as well as insurance and maintenance of the common areas. Seller offering 2 to 10 warranty to buyers. Roof recently replaced.